Well, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the organizer, the Energize Forum, I would like to welcome all of you to attend this Learning Health System workshop for the year 2017. And this year, we focus on topics related to pharmacogenomics and precision medicine. Our workshop comes in a good time for NHRI, as we are beginning to launch a flagship program. Okay, we have the slide here. The aim of the flagship program of precision medicine for the Asia Pacific Biomedical Silicon Valley is to establish a system for continuously developing biotechnology and the healthcare industry in Taiwan. It places the emphasis on industrial academic collaboration, innovative research, and bioinformatic infrastructure. Our flagship program will very soon conduct international collaboration between hospitals, research organizations, and local companies with a target of implementing precision medicine and a knowledge-based health system. Building on the existing collaboration and progress already underway, this program should place Taiwan at the international forefront of the research and industrial development in this area, thereby contributing not only to improve the health outcome for the target diseases, but also the job creation and economical growth in the decades to come. So, as highlighted in this slide, our flagship program should offer a completely new platform to support the effort of academic institutions, including NHRI, shown here, medical centers and universities, as well as local biotech industry. So by the end of the 4-year program, we should be able to achieve 5 major goals, shown here. 1, the 3-generation birth cohort. 2, molecular diagnosis and registry system for rare genetic disorders. 3, genetic information system for digital healthcare in Taiwan. And 4, the technology investment and management. And finally, number 5, new core for product and services. In the past, our Energy Forum has promoted international collaborations such as with Tohoku University in Japan, University of Chicago, and University of Michigan, Ann Arbor in the United States. And also, we have networked with several medical centers in Taiwan. It is our long-term goal to integrate biological and clinical data into a genomic information system for digital healthcare in order to benefit our community and people. So finally, as the chairman of the Energy Forum, I wish all of you have a productive meeting, and for our distinguished guests from abroad, I hope that you all have a very enjoyable stay in Taiwan. Thank you very much for your attention.